If you've been approved in the Amazon Influencer Program and you're sitting there with videos on your phone wondering, are these even good enough? This video is probably for you. Because here's the truth that almost nobody says clearly. The bar for a good Amazon influencer video is actually much lower than you think, especially in the beginning. I don't mean that in some discouraging way, actually. I mean it in a freeing way. A lot of people get stuck because they're trying to make perfect videos instead of useful ones. They worry about lighting, editing, thumbnails, hair, makeup, background noise, all before they've built any momentum. So let's reset what good actually means right now. A good Amazon influencer video only needs to do two things. Can you be heard clearly, and can the product be seen clearly? That's it. That's the bar. You do not need cinematic lighting. In fact, even in this, I forgot to turn off my overhead light. So that's what we're doing. You do not need jump cuts. You do not need to remove every or ah. If a kid's playing in the background and you can still be heard, that's okay. If your hair isn't perfect, that's okay too. If your house looks lived in, that's okay. Perfection is not the assignment, usefulness is. Your job in this phase is to say what's useful and stop when you're done. You don't need to stretch a video to sound impressive. You don't need to hit some magic length. 1 minute is often more than enough, though some of us are more long-winded than others. Longer is fine, though, if there's something helpful to say, but short does not mean low value. If you can explain clearly what the product does, what problem it solves, and what someone should know before buying it, that video counts. And this part matters a lot. Right now, you are not being judged on how optimized your videos are. You're being judged on whether you have videos on your storefront. Amazon wants to see that you can show up and create content. That's the bar at this stage. This is also why I tell people not to obsess over product research in the beginning. Product research does matter later, but right now, filming the things you already own is more important than chasing perfect carousel placement or high sales numbers. Volume comes before strategy. Another thing I want to clear up is thumbnails. For Amazon, you do not need to spend time making thumbnails. It's not necessary. But if you're cross-posting to YouTube, that's where thumbnails start to matter. Different platforms have different rules. Don't mix them up and create extra work for yourself. People will also tell you to jump straight into Creator Connections and start requesting all the free products. And eventually, that is a great move. But think about it from a seller's perspective. Why would they send you a free product if they can't see what kind of videos you make? Videos come first. Opportunities come after. If this is helping you reset what good actually means, go ahead and like the video. It helps other Amazon influencers find this information before they get stuck overthinking. So here's the mindset I want to leave you with. Done is better than perfect. Existence is more important than excellence. For now. This isn't forever. You will optimize later. You will improve later. You will level up later. But you can't refine something that doesn't exist. So, if you're hesitating on your next video, ask yourself two questions. Can I be heard? And can the product be seen? If the answer is yes to both, hit record. If this helped, drop a comment and tell me what you've been overthinking. Make sure you're subscribed, and if you want to ask questions or keep the conversation going in a space that's supportive and judgment-free, head to the community tab. And remember, eyes on your own paper. You're doing better than you think.